Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this stunning 2024 Indian Scout 113, registered the 8th of June 2024 on a 24 plate, finished in black metallic and having covered just 1,807 miles from new. This fantastic cruiser offers iconic American styling backed up by impressive modern performance. The Scout's low seat height, relaxed riding position and premium finish make it an approachable and enjoyable motorcycle for riders of all experience levels. At the heart of the Scout sits Indian's powerful 1133cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering strong acceleration, effortless cruising ability and plenty of character. Unlike many traditional cruisers, the Scout combines classic looks with surprisingly agile handling, making it just as enjoyable on twisty roads as it is on longer journeys. This exceptional motorcycle will leave us serviced where required, complete with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty. The option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months is also available for added peace of mind. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of flexible finance packages to suit your needs. Please note there is a small £89 administration fee applicable to all of our motorcycles. Part exchanges are always welcome. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, WhatsApp 07359837799, or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.